Hi everybody, I'm going to be showing you guys my slime collection, but first subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and comment something nice. Be active, be positive, and be nice. So now without further ado, let's get on to the video. Let's go. So I'm going to open my butter slime. It's really stretchy. Slime straws are good. Poke test. Okay, now let's get a new slime. Okay, we're going to get this slime. It's another butter slime, but like a little bit lighter. So for this slime, I put like a little bit of these little sprinkles I bought from the store because it looks like a little bit of red velvet cake, a little. So that's why I added some sprinkles to it. Okay, now we're gonna put this slime back in its container. So now I'm going to be moving on to my blue slime, which is right here, and it's really stretchy. Okay, now I'm going to put this back and I'm going to do my last and final huge big slime. Ready? Let's see. So now I'm going to put this slime away, and that is all for my slime collection. So good